Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankanish Creations. Today I'm going to share 3 DIY ideas using bubble wrap. All 3 of them are very different from each other and I hope you like all of them. So let's get started. Starting with the first DIY where we are going to create an amazing background using bubble wrap. First, I'm spraying little bit of water all over the canvas. This will help me blending the colors more smoothly. I'm trying to create a night sky kind of a background. You can also choose to paint with just one color. Just make sure you don't choose any light shades because on that the bubble wrap effect won't show up that much effectively. Once we are done with the shading, we'll again spray some water to make the colors wet so that the bubble wrap effect would come very nicely. Take some clean bubble wrap and place it on the canvas with the bubbles facing the canvas. Press the bubble wrap gently for a few seconds and then leave it for 1 or 2 minutes before taking it off. Now the fun part comes. Wow! And this is how you can make this beautiful and amazing background for your painting. It's so easy but looks very beautiful. To give you all an idea, I'm painting this easy tree on this background. And we are done with our first DIY using bubble wrap. For the next DIY, we are making clay decor. I'm using terracotta clay which is air drying, and we will also need some bubble wrap, cutter, toothpick, rolling pin, a plastic bowl and acrylic paints. Take few chunks of clay and start conditioning it with your fingers to make it smooth. Now I'm rolling the clay evenly from all sides but not making it too thin. Next step, placing the bubble wrap on the clay facing the bubbles towards the clay and gently rolling it with rolling pin. Now check this out. Wow! Next I'm giving it a heart-shaped design by cutting with cutter. And then smoothing out the edges using some water on finger. Carving some design using a toothpick. Now placing it in a bowl layered with plastic to let it dry in this shape. It took around 48 hours to dry completely. I chose this clay because it is very soft and because of that the bubble print comes out very nicely. Now to paint this decor, I am covering it with orange acrylic paint completely with a brush. Let this paint dry completely and then I am taking bronze metallic acrylic paint which is non-toxic because I am going to use my finger for the next part. This technique will highlight the bubble wrap texture we made on the clay. You can also use dry brush technique, but I feel like fingers works the best for me. Adding some pearl blue acrylic paint which is again non-toxic on the borders and some of the center part of the clay. And we are done with our clay decor idea using bubble wrap. Place a candle in it, or it can also be used as key holder, coin holder, or anything you want to place in it. Now let's move on to our third and last DIY, pretty wall decor using bubble wrap. I'm using this disposable party plate which I got from a party supply store. You can also use thick cardboard if you don't have this one. Apply some glue generously on the back side of the plate. Now stick the flat side of bubble wrap to the tray by applying some hand pressure all of the side so that it sticks nicely. Put some clothespins all around the edges of the plate so that the bubble wrap will stay in its place while the glue is drying. We'll remove them once the glue has dried completely and the bubble wrap has sticked properly. Now cut all the excess bubble wrap around it. And now to decorate this piece, we will paint on it with some acrylic paint. You can make any pattern you like with as many colors you like. I'm showing my idea of how I painted this here. I'm using Fevicryl acrylic colors here because they are very durable and long lasting on any surface. And this is how this painting turned out. Let all this paint dry completely and then we'll attach some lace and some hangings to make this wall decor beautiful and hangable too. I'm using hot glue to attach all these decorations. We are done with our third and final DIY.
I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you do and comment down below which idea you liked the most. Also subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell icon to receive all the notification whenever I will upload a new video. I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye. Love being creative.
Bye.